Hey everybody, here's a little update. As you can see, the Jamaican hibiscus are in full flower. Every morning when you come out, the flowers open up. But then as the day goes to evening, the flowers close. And so you'll have flowers for a couple days, but what we're looking for is these pods here. These pods are great because you can harvest them and dry them, put that in your tea, or you can cook it down and turn it into jelly. And it's kind of a family tradition now with Jamaican hibiscus. We grow them every year, putting them in the ground in May as little seed starts. But then by the fall, you always know when it's fall here in North Texas because they will start to produce these pods and flowers. And it always happens in the end of September or definitely all of October. It's like they can sense it. They know that it's like, uh-oh, weather's changing. We're going to go from hot weather in Texas to cool weather. Time to make the pods and make the flowers. And so we come out here and kind of, like they do in Europe for harvesting olives or, harvesting grapes. Well, we harvest Jamaican hibiscus pods. And then these pods have a round ball that contains the seeds. So you pop out the seeds and then you can use that to grow next year. So we never have to buy them because they always make their own seeds. And you just plant them every year. So what we're going to end up doing is harvesting more of these pods. And then they get so heavy, they drop down because the pods get heavy and weigh the plant down. What I should have done is strung them up so that when they started to lean over, they'd still be standing up, but I forgot to do that this year. The bees love it. We got bees all over our garden, so we're doing what we can for keeping the bees happy and keeping them pollinating so we have more things every year. But yeah, as we do a little walk around here, you can easily see that, they just flop over on both sides. And it's a pretty flower. It's an unusual flower. It's not like you go to the big box store and buy the plants or even buy the seeds so much. You have to kind of find the seeds on your own and then you plant them. And, so that's when people walk by in the evening, they're always like, what is that strange plant? They really don't know because when you say hibiscus, they don't think of this as a hibiscus they're used to. They think hibiscus as a tropical deal. So this is what they call a roselle or Jamaican hibiscus. It has a couple different names. You can see the bees are out here. And so people have really never seen this plant before. The flower's a little bit like okra. If you grow okra, that's the kind of flower it makes. So I think it's in that family, to be honest with you. But anyways, we'll be out here every day harvesting the pods as they mature and enjoying the benefit, the beauty of these flowers and this plant. Every year we kind of look forward to the fall because when the roselle or Jamaican hibiscus flower and pod, you know that October is upon you. So anyways, that's an update for the Jamaican hibiscus. Hopefully you can try some of this. As soon as it hits the first frost, this will kill all the leaves and down it goes. And we'll plant again back in April or May. So anyways, we will talk to you later with another garden update.